Hello, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome to Spoken English Tutorials. My name is Ravi, your Spoken English tutor. I will teach you English regarding communication skills, spoken English, grammar, and you can ask me any doubts regarding that. After watching my video, I will definitely clarify whatever the doubts you have. Where have you stopped? Why can't you speak? And all those questions will be definitely clarified, and you can ask me. Okay, today's topic question tag. What is a question tag? Before that, I have come across people saying your name is Ravina, your father is Himna, you are my friend na, she came na, she went na, she talked to me na, she did not talk to me na, she told you na, she did not tell you na, she knows na, she doesn't know na. So these kind of sentences they use. I think you might have observed here. Na at the end of the sentence. It means what exactly do you want to speak? What exactly do you want to ask a person? What exactly do you want to use? Which word do you want to use? Kada. Do you want to use kada? You use in Telugu kada. నువ్వు మా తమ్ముడివి కదా, తను మా అక్క కదా, తను మా అమ్మ కదా, తను రాధా కదా, తను మన ప్రిన్సిపల్ కదా, తను మన కరస్పాండెంట్ కదా. సో డూ యూ వాంట్ టు యూస్ దీస్ సెంటెన్సెస్ ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్? డూ యూ వాంట్ టు ఆస్క్ కదా ఇన్ ఇంగ్లీష్? దెన్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు యూస్ క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్. క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్స్ ఓన్లీ. అండర్స్టూడ్? వాట్ ఈస్ అ క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్? క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ ఈస్ which statement turns into a question is a question tag. Statement. What is statement? I come, you go, they come, she talks, she sits, she told me, she did not tell me, my mother has come, my father has gone, he helped me. So these are the statements, not a question. Question is actually, what is question? Using helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. Isn't she coming? Aren't they going? Have they come? Did they come? Is she talking? Will she speak to me? So these are the questions. It means you are using helping verbs at the beginning of the sentence, very beginning. But when it's question tag, it is used at the end of the sentence only with a helping verb. If statement is positive, question tag must be negative. If statement is negative, question tag must be positive. Question tag is nothing but picking up helping verb and placing it at the end of the sentence is a question tag. If statement is positive, for example, Rani is my sister. This is positive statement actually. Rani is my sister. Helping verb is. You have to take it and put it at the end of the sentence. And here in the sentence, Rani is my friend, my sister. Rani is my friend, my sister. There is no not in the sentence, so you have to use not here. Rani is my sister, isn't she? Rani ma sister kada. Rani na sister kaadu kada. Rani is not my sister, is she? Statement is negative, so question tag must be positive. So this is how we use question tag. Kada. Tanu na friend kada. He is my friend, isn't he? Tanu na friend kaadu kada. He is not my friend, is he? Tanu ma amma kada. She is my mother, isn't she? She is not my mother, is she? She is not my mother, is she? Atanu HOD sir kada. He is our HOD sir, isn't he? He is not our HOD sir, is he? Chivarlo, is he? At the end of the sentence you have to use is he. He is our correspondent, isn't he? He is not our correspondent, is he? Tanu mana correspondent kaadu kada. He is not our correspondent, is he? Adi na class kada. It is my class, isn't it? It is not my class, is it? In this manner you have to use question tags. She talked to me yesterday, didn't she? She did not talk to me yesterday, did she? Didn't she? Did she? I think you would have seen in English movies also. The boy asks his mother. In scrolling also you can see. Boy asked his mother like this. Mom, he's my father, isn't he? Amma, atan ma nana kada. Mom, he's not my father, is he? Amma, atanu ma nana kaadu kada. Kada. Mom, I'm not a fool, am I? Mom, I'm crazy, ain't I? Ain't I? That word is not a formal word, ain't I? It is American slang. Ain't, A-I-N T, ain't, American slang. We should not use in formal situations. We should not use that. Ain't, are not, besides are not, besides is not, am not, they use ain't. Maximum this word is seen in movies many times, in English movies, ain't word. But we should not use that. Ain't, A-I-N-T is informal speaking, and that too here am, for am you have to use in question tags are, are, aren't I. I am Raju, aren't I. You have to say I am Raju, aren't I. He is my sister, isn't she. నేను రాజుని కదా, I am Raju, aren't I kada. So for that only use ain't, but it is informal. Indian people they don't use that. So maximum American slang we can. అతను రాస్తాడు కదా, he writes, doesn't he. అతను రాయడు కదా, he doesn't write, does he. నేను చెప్తాను కదా, I tell, don't I. నేను చెప్పాను కదా, I don't tell, do I. నాకు తెలుగు తెలుసు కదా, ఐ నో తెలుగు, డోంట్ ఐ. నాకు తెలుగు తెలియదు కదా, ఐ డోంట్ నో తెలుగు, డూ ఐ. అతను నాకు తెలుసు కదా, ఐ నో హిమ్, డోంట్ ఐ. నాకు అతను తెలియదు కదా, ఐ డోంట్ నో హిమ్, డూ ఐ. సో దిస్ మ్యాన్, నాట్ ఓన్లీ దట్, లెట్ us టేక్ సమ్ మోర్ ఆల్సో. అతను చెప్పాడు కదా, హీ టోల్డ్ మీ. అతను నాకు చెప్పాడు కదా, హీ టోల్డ్ మీ, డింట్ హీ. అతను నాకు చెప్పలేదు కదా, హీ డిడ్ నాట్ టెల్ మీ, డిడ్ హీ. అతను ఇప్పుడు వచ్చాడు కదా, హీ హెస్ కమ్ నౌ, హ్యాజంట్ హీ. అతను ఇప్పుడు రాలేదు కదా, హీ హ్యాజంట్ కమ్ నౌ, హ్యాజ్ హీ. ఆయన రాశాడు కదా, హీ రోట్, డింట్ హీ. అతను రాయలేదు కదా, హీ డిడ్ నాట్ రైట్, డిడ్ హీ. రేపు మా అమ్మ వస్తుంది కదా, మై మదర్ విల్ కమ్ టుమారో, వోంట్ షీ. రేపు మా అమ్మ రాదు కదా, మై మదర్ వోంట్ కమ్ టుమారో, విల్ షీ. I think you would have understood this, and I will be with another lesson in coming video.